Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? We are doing a Scrapbook Expo. Whoa! I know it's been years. November 4th and 5th in Ontario, California. So we've given a lot of you a lot of notice, so you can fly in if you want to, because it is going to be awesome. It's a Friday, Saturday show. I will be there all day Friday with Ken and Faylene. Ken and Faylene will be there all day Saturday. And you know what? We're going to have so much fun. We'll get to show you some of our products. You'll get to see it. You'll get to look at it. You can join a club if you want to. And you know what? We get to hang out. That's what I'm the most excited about. I'm calling it a meet, greet, and hang, because we're just going to hang out and have some fun. So you know what? We're really excited. November 4th and 5th. Friday, I will be there all day. And you know what? I kind of thought maybe we'd go out to dinner after on Friday. Wouldn't that be fun? Just to go hang out and get some food? Let's go get some food afterwards on Friday. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you there November 4th and 5th. And you know what? We're going to have some fun. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.